Hello guys, welcome back again to Foodright kitchen. Today I'm going to be cooking EFO RIRO, so which simply means vegetable soup. That's spinach soup. So I'm going to be using some different kinds of ingredients to cook this EFO RIRO. So please stay tuned and enjoy the step-by-step process. Okay guys, so these are the ingredients for the EFO RIRO. You can see how beautiful they looks like. I'm going to be talking you through the ingredient one by one so you understand every single thing inside. You can see tiger prawn, pomo, dry fish, and sort of different ingredients. Here I have Scotch bonnet, bell pepper, fresh tomato, onions. Also have fresh spinach, and you can see how beautiful they look. Then goat meat, fresh goat meat, pomo, which is dry cow skin, garlic and ginger paste, Maggi cube, salt, and iru, which is called locust beans in English. Also, I'm going to be using dried catfish fillet, olive oil, and some big tiger prawns. I'm going to remove the shell and the head before I add it to the EFO RIRO to give it that nice delicious taste. So some red bean, fresh red bean. Okay, so here is the step-by-step process on how to make the EFO RIRO. So first thing, you put the catfish fillet in a bowl and add hot water with some salt and soak it for 2 hours or more to get soft a little bit before adding it to the EFO RIRO sauce. And next, you wash the red bean fish and sprinkle some salt and oil, put it in the oven to grill for 15 minutes. So after the red bean fish has been grilled, so all you do is you debone it, you take out all the bones inside, then you wash your goat meat and add some seasoning, which is the ginger and garlic paste, salt, Maggi, onions, and you add a little bit of water to cook it, and then you stir it really well, and make sure as you're stirring it, you make sure the Maggi get dissolved inside. So this is the goat meat after 25 minutes of cooking. Though I didn't make it I didn't cook it too soft, because I'm still going to add it in the EFO RIRO sauce to cook a bit more. So yeah. So you put all the pepper, the fresh pepper, tomatoes, Scotch bonnet, onions, all together in the blender and blend them together. So pour the blended pepper in the pot and cover it to cook for 20 to 25 minutes. So while I'm waiting for the goat meat to cook and the pepper to boil, so I'm cleaning the tiger prawn, so removing the shell, because I don't like it with the shell, especially when cooking EFO RIRO. I prefer to remove the shell, the head, so it will be just on its own. But say if I grill it or I fry it, yeah, so I might, it would be nice with the shell, leave the shell on. But with EFO RIRO, you won't have that smooth, nice taste of it. Though I haven't tried it before, but I think it's just better this way. For those of you who can go through this, like to remove the scales and stuff, you can buy the one they already remove the scale. You can use that as well, but it's just me and also I find it easy to remove the scale. It's not stressful at all, as long as you follow the step-by-step process to remove this and the shell, you will be fine. As you can see, the way I'm cutting the shell on the head, and you split the shell into two, then you remove, I don't know what's that, is that the poo or is the brain, I'm not sure actually. Anyway, then you chop up the head, you chop it off, then you grab the bottom bit and cut it all the way down to the tail, and also open the shell with your two hands. You just open it. See how easy it is? See what I'm saying by saying that it's still easy to, you know, to remove the shell. Sorry, I forgot to mention this earlier. I actually soaked the tiger prawn in the salt water for 1 hour before I start cleaning. To a separate pot on the stove and pour the olive oil to fry for a little bit. Then add the chopped onion to fry also for about 30 seconds, just to give you that onion flavor. So one thing I want to say about, you know, frying the onion a little bit before you pour the pepper is that do not fry it too long, because you don't want the nutrient to go away from the, you know, olive oil. Just fry a little bit, like I say, 30 seconds or even lesser. And yeah, then you pour the blended cooked pepper. Then add the dried catfish fillets and the grilled red bean fish. Add the Maggi cube, iru, and also you add some salt and add some ghost stock. This ghost stock is just a leftover water after I boiled the meat. So stir it and cover it to boil for 5 to 10 minutes before you add the remaining ingredients. So after 5 minutes, add the pomo, also the boiled goat meat. Just to let you guys know, the pomo has been cleaned, also be chopped to small pieces before adding it to the sauce. Then stir it again and you cover it to cook again for 5 minutes. So while waiting for the EFO RIRO sauce to cook, I chopped the spinach into big chunks and rinsed it 3 times. Add salt and also boiled water to rinse it for the 4th time so that all the sand can be removed from the spinach. The last but not the least, then you add the tiger prawns. Then you stir it a little bit gently. Stir it gently. If you notice, you see the EFO RIRO sauce is quite dry, like the bottom, there is no water in it anymore. This is how I want it to look like, because already the spinach got water in it. So by the time I pour the spinach and everything ready, so it will be exact the amount of water I want in it. So add the spinach and stir them together and leave them for about 5 to 7 minutes, because already prawn doesn't stay too long to cook anyway. Then the spinach as well, I don't like it very soft. I like it when you have that crunchiness in it. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of the video now. This is how my spinach EFO RIRO turns out to look. With this type of soup, you can eat it with semovita, pando yam, or even eba, or even rice. You can serve it as well with rice. In fact, it's gonna be very delicious with rice. So, and I hope you enjoy the step-by-step process. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye bye.